We all know mint. That bright, cool flavor is unmistakable, a staple in breath fresheners and toothpaste, yet we often overlook its deeper potential. Mint is more than just a breath freshener. It's a culinary chameleon, a medicinal marvel, and a historical icon. This unassuming herb, with its vibrant green leaves and refreshing aroma, boasts a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond its immediate cooling sensation. Mint, in its various forms, has graced civilizations for centuries. From ancient remedies to modern gastronomy, its versatility knows no bounds. Its refreshing taste and aroma have captivated palates for generations, while its therapeutic properties have provided solace and healing. Yet, in our modern world of processed foods and synthetic flavors, we often relegate mint to a secondary role. We forget the power it holds to invigorate our senses, enhance our well-being, and elevate our culinary creations. This essay delves into the multifaceted world of mint, urging you to rediscover its potential and embrace its refreshing embrace. Mint, in its various forms like peppermint and spearmint, is renowned for its digestive benefits. The oils in mint can soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and alleviate nausea. This makes it a popular natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Beyond digestion, mint offers respiratory relief. Its menthol content acts as a decongestant, clearing nasal passages and easing coughs. A warm cup of mint tea can work wonders for a stuffy nose or a sore throat. Historically, mint has been revered for its medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, used it to treat various ailments. They recognized its ability to soothe the stomach, freshen breath, and promote overall well-being. Today, scientific research is validating many of these traditional uses. Studies have shown that mint can improve irritable bowel syndrome, IBS symptoms, reduce anxiety, and even enhance memory. The evidence is clear. This ancient herb holds remarkable potential for our health and well-being. Mint's culinary versatility is just as impressive. It adds a burst of freshness to both sweet and savory dishes. In Middle Eastern cuisine, mint shines in salads, lending its bright flavor to balance the richness of lamb and spices. In Southeast Asia, mint features prominently in fresh spring rolls and flavorful curries. Its cooling essence provides a refreshing counterpoint to the heat of chilies and spices. From Vietnamese pho to Thai green curry, mint elevates the flavors of these vibrant cuisines. Mint isn't just for savory dishes, it adds a delightful twist to desserts and drinks. A scoop of vanilla ice cream with a drizzle of chocolate sauce and a scattering of chopped mint is a simple yet elegant dessert. For a refreshing summer beverage, muddle mint leaves with lime, sugar, and soda water for a classic mojito. Mint can also be infused into simple syrups for cocktails, adding a unique twist to classic drinks. Section 4. A sprig of freshness mint in your daily life. Incorporating mint into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start your day with a cup of invigorating mint tea. The aroma alone is enough to awaken your senses and prepare you for the day ahead. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves to your water bottle for a refreshing and flavorful boost. The mint will infuse the water with its cool essence, making hydration even more enjoyable. For a quick and healthy snack, combine Greek yogurt, chopped fruits like berries or peaches, a drizzle of honey, and a scattering of fresh mint leaves. The mint adds a bright note that cuts through the sweetness of the fruit and honey. Before bed, enjoy a cup of chamomile tea with a sprig of mint. The chamomile will promote relaxation, while the mint will aid digestion and leave you with a sense of calm. Section 5. Green thumb, minty freshness, growing your own. Growing your own mint is surprisingly easy. Mint is a hardy herb that thrives both indoors and outdoors, making it suitable for even novice gardeners. All it needs is well-drained soil, partial shade, and regular watering. Start with a small plant from your local nursery or propagate a cutting from a friend's plant. Simply place a stem cutting in water until roots develop, then plant it in soil. Mint grows quickly, so you'll soon have an abundant supply of fresh leaves. Harvesting mint is as simple as snipping off the leaves as needed. Regular pruning will encourage bushier growth and prevent the plant from becoming leggy. You can dry or freeze the leaves to enjoy their flavor year-round. Imagine stepping into your garden and plucking a few fresh mint leaves to add to your meal or beverage. Growing your own mint not only provides you with a constant supply, but also connects you to the natural world. Section 6. Embrace the refreshing power of mint. From its refreshing taste to its impressive health benefits, mint is an herb that deserves a prominent place in our lives. Whether you're enjoying a cup of soothing mint tea, adding a sprig of freshness to your culinary creations, or simply savoring its invigorating aroma, mint offers a world of possibilities. So the next time you reach for a breath mint, remember that you're holding more than just a breath freshener. You're holding a piece of history, a culinary treasure, and a natural remedy all rolled into one. Embrace the refreshing power of mint and discover the myriad ways it can enhance your well-being, elevate your cooking, and add a touch of vibrancy to your everyday life. Let mint awaken your senses, invigorate your spirit, and remind you of the simple pleasures that nature has to offer.